Hi, this is Buddy Halligan from the USC School of Cinematic Arts Sound Department. I'm here today to share with you some quick tips about Pro Tools, free apps for your smartphone or tablet, and audio post-production. Today's tip is going to be on the Avid Control app. This is a really handy, useful application that works on Apple iPad, Android tablets like the Samsung, and even the Amazon Fire HD tablet. The application is free and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. You'll also want to create a free account at Avid.com if you don't already have one. The other accompanying piece of software you'll need is EuControl, available from Avid.com. The software is also free. The Avid Control app gives the user expanded and touchscreen controls of any EuCon-enabled software, like Avid Pro Tools, Media Composer, Apple's Logic Pro X, Adobe Premiere Pro, as well as others. One of the things I really like about this app is that it can sort of act like a second screen if you're only using a laptop or, say, an iMac with just the built-in monitor. All right, let's get this thing set up. Basically, you'll need a Wi-Fi connection. Your computer and tablet need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So sign them in. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and install EuControl from the Avid site and Avid Control from the App Store or Google Play Store. The versions will need to match so that everything works correctly. Okay, now that you're back on your computer, we're going to check your network preferences. So go to your network settings and make sure you're connected to the same network that you connected your tablet to. Another thing you'll want to do is make sure that EuControl is always active. So go to your users and groups and check your login items. If EuControl is not there, then go ahead and add it to your login items, so EuControl will always be active. On your tablet, go ahead and open your network settings and join the same Wi-Fi network that your computer is on. If you're using Bluetooth, join that network, or if you prefer, get an Ethernet adapter and plug into a standard gigabit Ethernet switch. Now that everything's set up, go ahead and launch EuControl from your computer. Under the Window menu, go to EuControl Settings or Command 1. Click on the Surfaces tab and your tablet should show up in the left column. Go ahead and drag it to the right column. Next, click on the Workstations tab. Your computer should show up in the left workstation column. If it is not already on the right side, under My Workstations, drag it over there. Under the General tab and the Preferences tab, you'll see many options. We'll talk about those options in part 2 of this series. Okay, now go ahead and launch your Pro Tools application. You guessed it, there's one more thing to set up. Under the Setup menu in Pro Tools, select Peripherals. Then go to Ethernet Controllers. Make sure that the Enable EuCon box is checked at the bottom. This box must remain checked in order to work with Avid Control and any other EuCon-enabled surfaces like the Avid S1, Dock, or S3. Okay, so you'll go ahead and launch the Avid Control app from your tablet, and you'll see 6 user mode tabs at the top: Mixer, Tracks, Channel, Meters, Soft Keys, and Monitoring. We'll go into what each one of these tabs do and how to use them in part 2 of this series, so stay tuned.